with meteorologist Julie Henricks.
Good morning. We begin the day today by showing you a big, broad picture with the satellite imagery of the Atlantic. We have active weather again showing up here coming off the coast of Africa, what could be more development of tropical systems. But right now, the big story is Francine churning in the Gulf of Mexico, and a strong tropical storm this morning expected to reach hurricane strength as we head through the course of the day today. Again, this morning still a tropical storm with 65-mile-per-hour sustained winds. But before this thing makes landfall, it will become Hurricane Francine. And then it will become a tropical depression that will make its way northward, as you can see, toward our area. That's going to bring much needed rain to the Wabash Valley as we wrap up this work week, and some of this may linger as well into the upcoming weekend. Right now, it's all clear on our Dorset Automotive Doppler radar, and another dry day is setting up for the Wabash Valley. So as you head out the door this morning, a cool start, but a warm afternoon getting into the mid-80s, a couple of degrees warmer than average for this time of the year, and again, a little bit warmer than yesterday, but very pleasant because we will stay dry through the course of the day. We'll be clear again tonight, we'll be dry tomorrow, and then those clouds begin to increase Thursday. By Friday morning at this time, we will be tracking the initial push of some of the showers coming in. Rains will be heaviest first across southern areas of the two-state and then start to spread northward across the Wabash Valley. We'll keep those rain chances around on Saturday. I don't think it will rain all day Saturday, and I think of the two weekend days, Sunday actually less of a chance of rain, though we may still have some scattered areas out there. We'll get into early next week, and again, we may have some rain chances, not directly associated with that low, but as we increase all of that moisture coming in, relative humidity values will start to increase as well. Again, the drought monitor shows those moderate drought conditions across our southern counties and pretty much most of the Wabash Valley, very dry right now. So we need this rain. The rain that is coming will be welcomed, I know, not for those of you that are going to a Friday night football game or have plans for the weekend, but for the Wabash Valley, the rain certainly is something that we need to see. Rain amounts will, of course, be heaviest further south. Flooding along the Gulf Coast will be problematic, along with that storm surge down there. But that rain spreads northward, and as you can see, over the course of the next 7 days, puts down some decent amounts. I think maybe more than an inch of rain for some of our southern counties. The further north you go, you'll see less rain amounts, but I think everybody gets some rain. And you can see how temperatures are affected as that low tracks in. Will be cooler for the weekend, but we're not done with summertime warmth. I think next week we'll get back in the 80s again. Today, that's where we'll be with some sunshine around all day today. 85 for an afternoon high, a little warmer than yesterday and a couple of degrees warmer than the average. For tonight, overnight lows will drop back down into the low 50s versus the 40s. But again, that's because we're changing that wind a little bit. Tomorrow, our hottest day of the week, and I think we'll be approaching that 90-degree mark by tomorrow afternoon. Then the clouds begin to move in Thursday. Rain is likely for Friday. Over the weekend, though, I think Saturday won't be a washout. We'll have some scattered showers around. Most of Sunday, I think, will be dry. Maybe some early rain next week. But again, the rain associated with this tropical system, for the most part, is going to be a bulk of Friday and just part of Saturday. So we won't wash out the weekend, but I do think we'll have some rain to dodge. So
some of those big events happening over the weekend may still get to find some light at the end.
Yeah. There may be some peaks of sun. There just may be some showers popping up here or there. So.
All right.
Okay.
Thank you so much,
Thank you.
Julie.